and a surface grinder together. It fits on the same, take the angles off for the bevel guide, and then this bolts straight onto the same slide. Everything picks up the holes and all that. Uses a long linear slide, have a stop on the bottom. It's not real fancy at the moment. I've just been pushing this up and down by hand. I don't even have a handle on it. Just finished it today, or got one together, a mock-up today. See how it works. Like it so far. These are 3/4 inch, 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch. This is the carriage that rides up and down on there. I have it so that it comes off right now. So that slides up and down on there. Just have the blank pin to it at the moment. Very simple, not complex. I'll add some more features to it as I begin to use it a little bit more. Alright, so I hit that with a Scotch-Brite belt. First I took it down with about a 380 Trizact. Then I hit it with a Scotch-Brite. I need to take it off here and measure it, see how the thickness does and stuff like that, to see if I can control the thickness well. Just pinned on at the moment. Let's see. Oop, there we go. So it's fairly loose fit. Not looking too bad.